Northeast was my first choice, mainly because it was local, and it's what I always grew up hearing about. And they had the design and drafting technology program that I was very interested in. It helped build a great foundation just from the very start. They just teach you the program, everything you need to know about the program, from the up and down, left to right, everything you need to know to build a strong foundation to start a career. With what I learned in class as a foundation, I knew I could go to a career and learn the program, and they can teach me however they need to. I felt the confidence to build a job and set a strong foundation here locally for my family. I graduated in December of 17 and I started here in December of 17. Between Playcore and between Northeast, they kept me in communication and they would show that in class, and so it was a goal that I saw before I even reached graduation, that this was an opportunity. Knowing that they have connections here locally for a job that you're working towards an education is a huge confidence builder, knowing that you are studying something that you can jump straight into, that you don't have to go search high and low or move states to go apply yourself in. I take a sense of pride knowing that I went to school here in this town, and I also work here in this town from an education that I built here in this town.